Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 24. Review of simple tense. Answering WH questions in mixed tenses. Let's learn English.
Remember when asked the following questions.
Don't forget to answer.
Where is for a place. What is for about something. Why is for a reason. And when is for time.
What did you finish in school?
I finished elementary education, major in English.
Where did you come from?
I came from the USA.
Why did you teach in our school?
I taught in your school because it is a good school.
When will you go back to your place?
I will go back to my place next year.
Where did you come from?
I came from work.
What do we have for dinner?
We have burger for dinner.
Why didn't Bert eat his food?
Bert was not hungry this morning.
When will we watch a movie?
We will watch a movie tonight.
Remember when asked the following questions.
Don't forget to answer.
Where is for a place. What is for about something. Why is for a reason. And when is for time. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1. Ready your pencil and paper. R.
You.
Ready.
Choose the correct answer to the following questions.
Number 1. What is Robert doing in the garden?
Robert is mowing the lawn in the garden. She had a sandwich for lunch.
What is Robert doing in the garden?
Robert is mowing the lawn in the garden.
Number 2. Where does she live?
She works at Starbucks Coffee. She lives in Denver.
Where does she live?
She lives in Denver.
Number 3. What did she have for lunch?
She lives in Denver. She had a sandwich for lunch.
What did she have for lunch?
She had a sandwich for lunch.
Number 4. What time will the movie end?
The movie will end at 3 o'clock. The movie starts at 8 o'clock.
What time will the movie end?
The movie will end at 3 o'clock.
Number 5. When does the movie start?
The movie will end at 3 o'clock. The movie starts at 8 o'clock.
When does the movie start?
The movie starts at 8 o'clock.
Number 6. What did they do yesterday?
They went to the zoo yesterday. They live in Denver.
What did they do yesterday?
They went to the zoo yesterday.
Number 7. When will you call her?
I will write her a letter. I will call her tomorrow evening.
When will you call her?
I will call her tomorrow evening.
Number 8. Where does she work?
She works at Starbucks Coffee. She had a sandwich for lunch.
Where does she work?
She works at Starbucks Coffee.
Number 9. Where did you put the chicken?
Robert is mowing the lawn in the garden. I put the chicken in the freezer.
Where did you put the chicken?
I put the chicken in the freezer.
Number 10. Where will you be tomorrow?
I will be at the grocery store tomorrow. They went to the zoo.
Where will you be tomorrow?
I will be at the grocery store tomorrow.
Quiz number 2.
Part 1.
Ready your pencil and paper. R.
You.
Ready.
Change the following statements to questions using the question word in parentheses. Check the verb tense used.
Number 1. Julia does her homework at night. Number 1. Julia does her homework at night. When does Julia do her homework?
Number 2. Joshua's car is across the street from the house. Number 2. Joshua's car is across the street from the house. Where does Joshua's car park?
Number 3. Kath will go to Spain on the next holiday. Number 3. Kath will go to Spain on the next holiday. Where will Kath go on the next holiday?
Number 4. That is an English book. Number 4. That is an English book. What is that book?
Number 5. Mal called her sister yesterday. Number 5. Mal called her sister yesterday. When did Mal call her sister?
Number 6. Ben studies piano lessons at the university. Number 6. Ben studies piano lessons at the university. What does Ben study at the university?
Number 7. Sofia was eating a sandwich. Number 7. Sofia was eating a sandwich. What was Sofia doing?
Number 8. Robles' family are coming to visit tomorrow. Number 8. Robles' family are coming to visit tomorrow.
When are Robles' family come to visit? Number 9. Boyce is going to work at a Japanese restaurant. Number 9. Boyce is going to work at a Japanese restaurant.
Where is Boyce going to work? Number 10. She felt sad because she didn't see her puppy yesterday. Number 10. She felt sad because she didn't see her puppy yesterday. Why did she feel sad?
Quiz number 2.
Part 2.
Ready your pencil and paper. R.
You.
Ready.
Check the correct answer for the given question.
Number 1. Where did Jasmine go?
Jasmine goes to the park every Sunday afternoon. Jasmine went to the park last Sunday. Jasmine will go to the park next Sunday.
Where did Jasmine go?
Jasmine went to the park last Sunday.
Number 2. When will the girls sing on stage?
The girls sing on stage every afternoon. The girls sang on stage yesterday. The girls will sing on stage later.
When will the girls sing on stage?
The girls will sing on stage later.
Number 3. What does Dove give to her grandmother?
She gives her grandmother a card every Christmas. She gave her grandmother a card last Christmas. She will give her grandmother a card next Christmas.
What does Dove give to her grandmother?
She gives her grandmother a card every Christmas.
Number 4. When do the elementary students eat in school?
They ate in school last week. They will eat in school next week. They eat in school every week.
When do the elementary students eat in school?
They eat in school every week.
Number 5. Where will the family spend their vacation?
They spend their vacation in the beach every summer. They will spend their vacation in the beach next summer. They spent their vacation in the beach last summer.
Where will the family spend their vacation?
They will spend their vacation in the beach next summer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.